People are often keen on praising grand accomplishment and happy stories, right, of success. The most exciting and beautiful part of success is the happy ending of the story. In our case, we are celebrating a happy chapter for Moldex Residences Group.
There's no more waiting, now that it's time to go. You know we're breaking into the deep unknown. We can climb a little bit higher, 'cause we're never gonna get tired. And it only takes a little to believe. Hey! We are free, we are alive. Chase the sun into the night, and as long as we're together, we'll be alright.
Everyone, you have all done something that will make a difference. Keep up the good and hard work, great work. Keep going on no matter what the circumstances. Always remember that the Moldex Residences Baguio is the #1 developer here in the City of Pines. Tayo ay #1 dahil sa inyong lahat. At kayong lahat ang dahilan kung bakit nananatili tayong #1.
We are